we are in today's last destination. Ooh, gotta be careful. Which is the Geli Ali Bag waterfall, guys. The last one I'm not gonna show you, it's right ahead of me. Until I'm gonna be quite close to it, then I'll point my camera to it and you can see it. So yeah, but now just waiting a little bit more until I get a bit closer to it. And there we are. It's amazing. A little bit closer, guys. Stay with me. Stay with me, be patient. I want the view going to be beautiful for it. And there you go. Wow, look at that. This is one of the waterfalls of Iraq, but this one actually is the biggest and the longest waterfall in entire Iraq, and it's located in Erbil district, guys. It's beautiful. It's amazing. This beautiful waterfall is only 5,000 Iraqi bill, guys. It's amazing. That's how spectacular it is, and that's how famous it is in entire Iraq, that everyone from the whole other cities of Iraq coming to see this waterfall or coming to see this beautiful resort right here. If you came to Iraq and you saw that the 5,000 bill has a waterfall on it and you're wondering where is that located, it's located outside of Erbil City, guys. So you can find it after like 2 hours driving from Erbil City. You can come here and you can have a lot of good time, take a lot of pictures. So let's go to the other side of it. Maybe we can cross behind the waterfall. I remember I was doing that when I was a kid. There was a possibility to do that, but right now I'm not sure, to be honest. So we're going just to see if that's possible. Here. Seems that it's not possible. In past, you could just like walk close by and go behind the waterfall. You could take a picture behind it. It was so amazing, but maybe now it's no longer possible. I don't know why the road is black. Nevertheless, you can get closer to it actually. When this guy, he went right there taking a picture. You can get that close to take picture, which is still good. It's not bad. So maybe we are going to try to go there, because to be honest, the viewpoint there actually is maybe looking really beautiful. So I think he came up on the stairs. Wow. Oh, this is another thing here. As fast as the Bechal waterfalls is, this one is, it's quite fast and quite strong too. You can hear that how strong it is hitting the ground. I don't know if you can hear me actually, but this is quite strong, and the waves coming right through my lens and my camera and my face. It's amazing. The lovely sight. Beautiful. Wow. Lovely, so beautiful. So it seems that we're not going to be staying here so for a long time. It's going to be like only half an hour. We're going just to explore around, and it seems that some of the guys in the bus that is with us, they're getting sick or something like that, so they want to go back home quickly. So that's why they shortened the time to staying here, which was meant to be 1 hour. Now it's going to be only shortened for half an hour. So it's going to be very short, and after a moment of now we're going to be all gathered and leave. Şöyle başlaş ya. All the sweets and savory foods, they all have it here. I forgot to say that we are in Shaklawa market or bazaar. That's the last destination we're visiting. We thought that Geli Ali Bag will be the last destination, but no. It seems that they decided to come to Shaklawa Bazaar as well, so here we are. Let's see what this gentleman has. It's beautiful decoration he has inside. Amazing. All these jellies and cakes and biscuits. What they call that in English? Write down in the comments, guys. Everything, he has it, everything. Chocolates, all this kind of sweets, and the soury one. I don't know the name of that in English, unfortunately. But nevertheless, he has it at all, guys. Whatever that you want for a take it back home for the family to eat it all together, so he has it. He has it at all. Amazing. And this is downtown Shaklawa market or Shaklawa Bazaar, which is quite famous for having this main road that's right in the middle of the Shaklawa town, northern of Erbil City, that has all the stores, everything, all these juice stores and sweets, and yeah, the clothes that you want to buy. So how does it at all? To be honest with you, coming to Shaklawa is more fun to do that after evening or after the sunset. It's way more fun here with the lights on, and the bazaar will be way more crowded and a lot of people coming down and eating. So, but nevertheless, we cannot do that because it's all scheduled that we have to be here in this hour and leave after half hour or maybe 20 minutes of now. We're going to leave, so we cannot make it until the sunset. Seems that not a lot of things to be done when you go up there, so I just decided to go back to see what is down there. I think it's more fun when you go down there. More of the stores are there, so we will try. I bought whatever that's necessary to be bought as a food, taken back and eating it with family. So I think I'm done here. It's already done. In the very first 5 minutes I bought everything. And yeah, I'm just gonna be walking around, let the time pass until the journey ends, and we're gonna be back to the bus and going back to Erbil City. So yeah, it was an amazing journey, to be honest with you guys. I enjoyed it so much with all these waterfalls and wateries and greens and mountains. Quite adventurous, right? And it's quite beautiful. And to end it with this bonus place, which is Shaklawa Bazaar, I think it's amazing. Because Shaklawa Bazaar was not scheduled in the plan visiting today, but because we followed the rules and we came back in the time, so the guy who's responsible for the trip, he said that I'm going to award you with Shaklawa Bazaar, so why not, right? Let's just enjoy it. It has it all. Nutellas you can buy in cafes. All these vendors and stores, right? You can even buy jewelries if you want. Rings, necklaces, corn, whatever. Oh, watches, clothes. They have it all. وهكذا تاخذ حبيبي زور سباس بس خوش ممنون سباس ابو حسين حياكم الله هلا حبيبي تشرفنا هلا يا حبيبي هلا يا حبيبي هلا هلا. That's how we ended our trip for today, guys. Hopefully that you guys enjoyed watching my trip today. So please guys, write down in the comment which place you liked the most from all the trips that we had today, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and share my videos so that the most people can watch it and can see it, so that it can be spread all over Facebook and YouTube and all the other platforms. So thanks for watching. See you on another trip. Peace.